Hello everyone, in this video I'll go ahead and show you how coupons work and how you could go ahead and set them up. Okay, so under marketing we have a coupons tab, and once you click on this, if it is your very first coupon that you're adding, you could go ahead and click add new from here or from here, and now you could go ahead and start creating your coupons. So we'll go ahead and call it test for now. You could put whatever the name of the coupon is, and we'll go ahead and call it a test coupon here. So that is what the actual code will be, and the description could be something like, for all service types, first appointment only when scheduling reoccurring services. Okay, and then make this coupon active. We'll make it active right away. And Facebook coupon, this is something you could go ahead and activate this coupon for Facebook sharing, which is something that we'll go ahead and talk about in a different video, and I'll link to that video underneath this one as well, so you could go ahead and watch that from the help center, and you could get an idea of how this works, how to set it up, and what it actually is. But you could go ahead and make any coupon active for that, and folks will be able to get a discount when they're sharing the little share bar next to on the booking form. Okay, and like I said, we'll talk about that in a different video. Here, coupon can be applied with referrals. So if someone's using gift card credits or referral credits, can you still use coupons on top of that? So we'll go ahead and mark that as yes, they could be combined. And then which industry is this coupon for? Okay, and you could enable every single industry and then perform as well. And then you could choose which location or what services this coupon is for. So if you don't select a certain location or industry or form or service, then this coupon will not be applicable for any of those, and it will give a customer a red error telling them that this is not applicable for this location or this service or this industry, whatever it may be. Here is where you put your discount in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do $20 off. And here, discount for service providers. This is something interesting that many of you guys asked for, so we place that in here. And basically what this is how much out of this does the provider get hit by in terms of their pay. So for an example, if we're giving $20 off and the service is $100, and this only applies when a provider is getting paid per percentage. If they're getting paid a flat fee, then it does not count into effect, or if they're getting paid per hour, it does not count into an effect because they're already getting a specific number. But when it is a percentage pay that you have your provider set up as your team member, then this is when this comes into effect. So for example, if a service is $100 and the provider gets 50%, now they're getting $50, which is 50% out of that 100. But now, when you apply the code, that service goes to $80, okay? And now you get to choose if that provider gets paid 50% out of that 80 or 100 or even 90 or whatever it may be. So if I put in 0 here, then that means while the customer is getting $20 off, the provider is still getting paid out of the $100. Okay, so 50% out of 100 is still $50. Now, if you do 20 here, then the provider is getting paid again out of the same thing that the customer is paying, which is $80, and 50% out of 80, they're getting $40 now, okay? And or this is, yeah, so, and then you could also do a percentage for either one, okay? So you could have them different. You could have 10 here if you don't want them taking the whole hit as you are. So if you do 20 here, the customer will end up paying 80, and the provider will be paid out of 90, okay? So that's how this section works. And then you have your limitations. So when does the coupon start? You could start it from today going on forward. If you don't have any end date, you don't have to set one. Or you could use it on a specific date that, hey, this person can only use this coupon on the 18th or on a 31st and the 18th, and whenever they book for any other date, it will not it will give them an error that this coupon is not valid for any of those dates. Okay. And if you're using it on a specific day, like a holiday or something like that, you will want to uncheck those as well, so that they cannot apply it on all those days. They can only apply it on these 2 dates that you have set up. Otherwise, it will be applicable for all Sundays or all Mondays and Sundays and so forth. So you could set it up that that coupon is only applicable for Mondays or Tuesdays as well. If those are your slower days, you could offer coupons for anybody that's booking for Monday, Tuesday, or even Wednesday, however way you want to set that up. And the great part about these coupons is we set it up so no customer can scam the system. So what I mean by that is if they book for a Monday and then they try rescheduling for a Thursday, it will strip the coupon and they will have to apply it again. And then when they're applying it, it will tell them, hey, this coupon's not applicable for Thursday. So they cannot book for Monday first and then reschedule for Thursday. The coupon will not work. Okay, so that is a safety precaution so they do not scam the system. Okay, now max usage, that's pretty straightforward. How many times can this coupon be applicable? If you put 20, then the first 20 people will be able to use it. And then single per user, if you put single per user, a person can only use this coupon 1 time. And if they use it already, book with it, and complete an appointment, they will not be able to use that coupon again. Okay, applicable for all, new customers only, existing customers only. So anybody that's not in the system yet and you put new customers only, then they'll be able to book with them. If they have an account, they're already an existing customer and they will not be able to book. Frequencies, so is this applicable for one-time appointments or reoccurring or both? And if you have reoccurring, then you could choose, is it going to discount every appointment or is it going to discount only the first appointment only? Okay, and that's basically it in this section. Once you go ahead and add this coupon, and I'll put something random, it'll go ahead and appear here, and you can go ahead and view a little description of it here when you hover over it, and then you could always deactivate it if you don't want it. It will tell you how many times this coupon has been redeemed. It is out of unlimited, and here it will tell you how many times it has been used. And you could always deactivate it if you don't want to have people using it anymore, and then it will go into inactive coupons. If you want to enable it, you could go ahead and enable it from here, or simply delete it, edit, whatever you want. And then under reports, you could actually run reports based on coupons as well. So don't forget about that. It is something that is very convenient. So if you go under bookings or anything like that, you can search a coupon and then see how many people booked, and then even narrow it down per provider, or specific dates or anything like that. So you can test if your coupon is working, and all that good stuff. Okay, and that is basically it about coupons. Take care, you guys.